What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Prashant. Today I am going to speak about 5 beautiful habits that you can start implementing in your life in 2021. Now, this was something I just thought when I was writing. What should be my 2021 look like? So, many people say that in a new year, we write a lot, we plan a lot, but nothing works and nothing happens. Now, that may be the case of 90% people, but there's 10% of people who will directly implement that in their lives. So, I take New Year to be a time of self-evaluation to understand, there's again new start again, right? So, we can actually understand what did I do this year? What am I supposed to do next year? What should I plan? What should I prove? How should I self-evaluate and make a difference for 2021? So friends, little things that I'm going to implement in my life, let me just share with you, and if you do it, you are going to have a much beautiful 2021. So as you all know, 2020 was a very difficult year for all of us, but in 2020, I have learned certain things. I was able to become mentally really strong, practice certain things which helped me to grow and evolve. So let me share with you those things and the points that I'm going to implement in my life for 2021. First thing is to practice gratitude as an attitude. Now, because we have faced a lot of problems and we have faced COVID, people have become really negative. So problems come to me like everyone else. But when I started practicing gratitude as my attitude, I was able to get out of the problem much easier, much faster, because I always had a positive attitude towards life. So when I'm in very difficult situation or things did not happen the way I planned, I just close my eyes when I become sad and say, okay, Prashant, you are alive. You can just do it. Okay, if this doesn't happen to me also, there must be a reason. Let's focus on something beautiful. So I keep reminding myself as life is beautiful and be grateful. So when I practice that, I was able to get out of the problem much easily and go forward. Second thing is live a meaningful life. Friends, just have a conscious thought. What are you doing in your life? You're working, paying your bills, stressed out, thinking about the future, tensed. But are you living a meaningful life? Or are you influencing others through your life? Just keep reminding yourself to live consciously. Friends, it doesn't matter you're sad, you're going through a problem. You have a lot of problems, friends, but are you living a meaningful life? When I get through this problem, do I have a purpose in my life? Just think about it. Friends, let me tell you one thing. One fine morning, you cannot sit and write your whole life purpose, and it comes in an evolution. It just evolves and comes to your life. So, but for the people who are thinking about living a meaningful life, these things come much easily. So the third thing is take care of your health, mental health and physical health. Okay, do one small tiny habit if you are in 2020 that can increase your health conscious, like drinking water in every 1 hour. It doesn't matter 1 glass or 1 sip. Whatever it is, keep it a habit that I am going to drink water in every 1 hour and be consciously hold a bottle and walk together. So you are hydrated, you become much healthier. Second thing is to think about, healthy. So everyone says, I'll start working out by 2021, first day January. No. If you want to start working out, I say start working out today. If you're planning all these plans to start from today, not from first. So start working out. Just at least 10 minutes I'm going to move my body, at least. If you're not able to go outside, when you're watching TV, stand up, sit down, and keep moving your body. That's going to help you to become much healthier, at least that much. Okay, the people who are not moving at all, at least that much, please try to bring in your life. So number 4, I am going to grow, I am going to learn. Now I am going to grow emotionally, mentally, physically, and everything. So what I am going to learn by next year? So am I learning something? So usually people say studying and learning is like when you are left your college, it's all over. No. Whatever age you are, maybe in 5th or you are in 50s, it's okay. Keep learning, keep growing. So what did I learn this year? What I'm going to learn by next year? What difference I'm going to make in my life by next year? Keep learning. That can be through reading, watching videos, learning from e-learnings. It's all available. So friends, make maximum useful of your life. Bring something in your life. So when you learn something and grow and do something, it's going to be amazing. 5th thing which I am going to do is focus on one thing and make it happen for 2021. Friends, focus on one beautiful thing. As I was a multitasker and I am trying to do a lot of things, but I was not able to do in the best perfection that I have realized. So in 2021, I am going to focus on one target and go to work 100% on the target. Friends, only I am not going to focus on work out my body, and I am not going to focus on anything else, but only on one specific topic. So whatever it is for you in your life, friends, focus on one thing I am going to accomplish in 2021 and keep a beautiful target, and then the time span when you are going to accomplish it and grow. Friends, for me personally, it is motivational talk where I am going to encourage you all. I would only focus on that because through that I can live a meaningful life. So these are the 5 beautiful habits that I am going to bring in 2021 in my life, friends. And I hope that you are able to learn something valuable from this video. Friends, let me know what is your habits you are going to do in your comment box so that I can see. And thank you so much. Love you all and have an amazing 2021.